Ever wondered how to make the perfect chocolate chip cookies at home? The quest for the ultimate homemade cookie ends here. Warm, gooey, and chock full of chocolate goodness, this recipe will have you reaching for a second or third. Embarking on this culinary adventure begins with gathering the essentials. First, the dry ingredients. 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. These will form the foundation of your cookies. Next, the heart of the cookie, the fats and sugars. You'll need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup each of granulated sugar, and packed brown sugar. These ingredients will give your cookies their rich, sweet flavor and soft, chewy texture. And of course, we cannot forget the stars of the show, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 2 large eggs to bind everything together. And the piece de resistance? 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now, the magic begins. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven warms up, combine your dry ingredients in 1 bowl and the butter, sugars, vanilla, and eggs in another. Beat the butter mixture until creamy, then gradually add in the dry ingredients. Once the dough forms, fold in those luscious chocolate chips. Next, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets. Space them about 2 inches apart to give them room to spread. Then, into the oven they go. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until golden brown. Here comes the hardest part, waiting. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for 2 minutes, then transfer them to wire racks to cool completely. And there you have it, the secret to the perfect homemade chocolate chip cookies. It's all about the right ingredients, mixed in the right order, baked at the right temperature. To summarize, start with your dry ingredients, then your fats and sugars. Add in eggs and vanilla, then fold in the chocolate chips. Drop the dough onto baking sheets, bake until golden, then let cool. Remember, the joy of baking comes not just from the delicious end result, but also from the process itself. So take your time, enjoy the experience, and before you know it, you'll be sinking your teeth into the best chocolate chip cookies you've ever made.